us in ABB, it was obvious. Make protection devices smaller without compromising safety. We started with our DS301C RCBO, first forward short circuit of a current protection, up to 6 kA in a single model. And this is a DS301C M version. The same size, but now with a 10 kA breaking capacity. Until now, 10 kA protection needed 2 or 3 model width. We fit it into one. That is 10,000 amp in just 17.6 millimeter width, handling severe short circuits that would exceed standard protection devices. The engineering is quite impressive. It's voltage independent, so the protection works electromagnetically. No extra supply voltage needed. If the power is unstable, the device does the job. And the earth fault indicator truly speeds up the troubleshooting. This cut downtime elements. This is a first in the industry. It's compact size without compromising safety. And this matter as nowadays buildings need more and more circuit than ever. EV charger, heat pump, solar system, smart meters. Demand keep growing, but existing panels stay the same size. With this, you got the space to add circuits without replacing the entire distribution board. It fits in the energy management system, leave room for future expansion, and say yes to projects that used to mean major rework. It's about giving you the flexibility to say yes when the space says no.